So, my boys, what's up? So, let's go, my boys. So, what we couldn't do yesterday? Oh yeah, calculator, of course, of course. So, what's the problem was with here? Let's see. Probably with okay, we need to set up selling that. We can't, I think. Sell, yeah. We need to connect sell crates also. So let's do that. How we sell that? In crates viewer, we need local remotes sell crate, I think, right? Yeah, this is buy more. By the way, let's initialize our different buttons. Self crates, pop up more, and let's create here. It will be pop up more. Let's create pop up sell. Pop up sell. Where is it? Sell more. And let's initialize the same buttons. This is model window. Oh wait, buy more buttons, model window, buy more buttons. Okay, no. Okay, let's maybe create local buy more. What is it? Frame, I think. Let's go here. Hello, hello, welcome. Buy more. Let's see what's buy more. Inventory frame. Inside viewer. Yeah, crates. Model window. Yeah. Buy more. How's your day? Great, bro. Great. Thank you. But this is only 1 p.m. for me. Buy more. Buy more. This is buy more frame, I think. Buy more frame equals model window buy more. And here is buy more frame buttons. And here is instead of all of that. Oh wait. Buy more. We don't need buy more frame, by the way. We can do like why I did like so. Model window. Buy more buttons. Buy more buttons. Here's also we can replace model window and buy more. Just pop up. Buy more. Oh yeah, let's do maybe like so better. Buy more. Model window buy more. Just like so, yeah, it's better. And let's copy this one. Let's pop up sell. sell more. Sell more. Hello, hello, welcome. Okay, pop up sell and sell more buttons. Yeah, sell more buttons. This is pop up sell and buttons just. Sell more buttons dot let's go here, buttons, and here we have sell activated. Okay, let's copy this one. Just activated connect function, sell, cancel, and max, of course, max. How long do you think this game will take? I don't know any deadlines anymore, bro. So because I've already put deadlines like 30 days, and it's hard to calculate, bro. Really, that's why I don't know. As soon as possible, the one thing I can respond to you. Okay, sell. Sell. We need local remotes. Sell selected. Probably we need to create one more event. Sell crates. Yeah, because we don't have probably that. Let's go replicate the storage, our services, inventory system, infrastructure, local remotes. Local remotes. Yes, we don't have sell crate. Bike, we only have buy crate. Let's place here local remotes, sell crate, crate name, amount, and let's go in our remote factory. No, remote factory we don't need. Let's go in our remotes. Hello Noel, how you doing? Great, bro, great, thank you, all great. Okay, local remotes, we need to create remote, sell crate. Yeah, it will be sell crate, definitely sell crate, and go here, remote event, sell crate, fire server, and we need to receive, of course, this event, sell crate, buy crate. Let's go here, buy crate, under this one, and we just copy this name, sell crate, and put, let's close these things. Okay, we don't need this one, server remotes. Yeah. Yo, hello guys, hello Itmemary and Profound, hello bro, welcome. I'm working on anti-cheat because I still don't have any game ideas. Great bro, anyway that's good, bro. You make some steps, and this is anyway better than do nothing. So if you wanna develop this, why not? And anyway, you can reuse this system, so I think this is the good thing that you decided to do that. Okay, now we go to our inventory system, application layer, inventory service, and here we need to create another one method, which called, let's see what we have here, server remotes, buy crate. We have buy crate. Let's place under buy crate sell crate, sell crate, sell crate, crate name, amount, and let's go to data controller in our infrastructure. I wanted to ask, do you think this game will be popular? I don't know, bro, I don't know, because there's a lot of factors influence on this, but because I don't like imagine about this, dream about this, because bro, everything depends on me. This is first one, and only what I can tell you, this is I'll do my best to make this true. So so I hope yes, of course. I hope, of course, yes, and I'll try to do my best, bro. But how it will be in reality, I don't know. I don't know. We'll see together, and you see the results also with me. So okay. Okay. This is double challenge for me because I wanna make it. I wanna make this true, because guys, if it's possible, I wanna show on my example that you can make your game absolutely for free, and it motivates me more because I wanna prove it to myself, to you guys, and motivate a lot of you, if it's possible, to make your first steps. Because if it's possible, of course, maybe if it's absolutely terrifying will be without advertisement, promotion, or something like so. Of course, later I buy probably promotion or advertisement, I don't know. But if it's possible to avoid all of this, this will be great. This will be great, and so pretty hard to predict that. Pretty hard to predict. But I'll try, of course. So let's go data controller. We need to create, under by create, we need to create method which called cell create. Cell create, let's close that. Server remotes we don't need. Oh, maybe we need server remotes, by the way. Oh yeah, cell create, here is cell create. Okay, item amount items. We need to, this is by crate. Okay, I think we can delete that, we don't need it anymore. Okay, cell crate. Calculate cell we need here. Amount. Calculate cell. Refund. Refund. Okay, here, if refund, we need to minus amount if we have that. If not, just equals to nil. That's it. And inventory item type. If we have that, we just make minus amount. If not, equals to nil. We need to make one check here. Very important, I think. Or we can do that in our price calculator. Let's check that. Calculate cell. So we go here, amount. If amount more than data create amount, data create amount. Okay. So we can do check here, I think. If item minus amount less than 0, then return error. Not enough rates. It shouldn't be like so. This is just double check, because our create price calculator should return possible to sell amounts. So yeah. Okay, what if we return 0? If amount less or equals to 0, then return warn, I think. Zero crates to sell. This is double check, probably will remove it later, I don't know. And what about price? What about price? We refund multiplier, just half we return back. So we do this, refund, update currency, just a price we return here. Let's check our formula. Price, okay, amount more than data crate amount equals to okay, and price, crate price multiplied by amount, okay, and refund multiplier. Yes, yeah, should be like so. Let's try that. Let's try if it's work. Oh wait, oh yeah. Oh, of course. Sell crate. Crate name. Sell selected item name and amount. Also, we need to call that. Buy more. Okay, sell more. Yes, sell more. We need here. And let's do the same here with our pop-up. More, but here's pop-up sell. Visible to false. Here's also. Here's not. Let's try that. Okay, go to our crates. Try to sell. Wait, ninja crate. Oh, cost 300. Yeah. Crate nil not found. Okay. Calculate sell. Wait. Somewhere problems. Self crate. So maybe we send a wrong information. Self-selected item name. Self-selected item. Let's go. I wanna print this, like when we send here. Let's go here. Sell. Ninja crate. Oh yeah, the problem is not here. It means probably I'm not. Okay, go to local remotes. Maybe I forget to put something here. Looks like so. Local remotes. Sell crate. Crate name amount. Let's put maybe here. Print crate name. Sell crate. Oh. Or wait. Server remote. Player crate. Oh no. Should be right. Okay, let's try again. Ninja crate. Yeah. So this is on the server side. On the server side some problems. Maybe I forget something, I think. Okay, let's go in our server remotes. Remote event, sell crate server event. Crate name. Crate name. Print crate name. Let's do here. Crate sell 1, for example. So ninja crate. And what's next? What's the problem next? So after all of that, amount, crate amount. Inventory, sell crate. Probably in inventory I forget something. Yeah, looks like so, I think. Sell crate, crate name, amount. Let's go. See here, print Create name. Ninja crate. Okay, in data controller, and that means this is the last step only. Data controller. Cell crate item string. Print item. Cell 1. Ninja crate. And what the problem? Ninja crate. Survivor crates config. Crate new. Mount data. So the problem is here. The problem is here. Crate new not found. Crate name. Okay, looks like it fired twice. Really, what the hell? Why it fired twice? Calcul get config crate name. Oh, or crate. Yes, yes. That's the problem. I forget about that. Now should be right. What crates? Or crate, yeah. What in our configs about this? Survivor crates config. Let's check our crate system. Infrastructure config. Survivor crates. Okay, survivor config type. We can get it from here, by the way. Config type. Yes, like so. Survivors crates. Crate name. Maybe like so. Crates cell 1. Compare number to string. If amount I think I know what's the problem. Yes. We need to convert it to number. Local amount equals to number amount, like this. Nice, let's go. Okay, let's go, my boys. So let's sell maximum. Wait. Price calculator, balance amount price. Why balance is not updated? Let's do the same with amount. Better. Data currency. Data. So the data is not updated. That's the problem. That's the problem. We don't update the data. Create price calculator. We need somehow to update our data here. Actualize our data. Open crate. We already have that, I think. Open crate. Yeah, we have that. Let's delete all of that. So inventory service we can close, local remotes, data, okay, server remotes I think, and create sphere. So maybe we need to send the data here also. We have the data I think here. Yeah, of course we have a data. Maybe we need to actualize the data. Yeah, looks like so, by the way. Oh, self data. Wait, we update the data always here. Calculate by. And the problem, we not update the data here. That's why it's so. Okay. So data, we receive that, and after that we don't change that anymore. Maybe we need to do something like data updater. Like data updater. So survivor crates. Okay, image, we don't need it at all. We don't use images here. Let's delete rarities, by the way. Okay, no, let's comment that. Maybe just for test we'll leave it like so, and by default it should be default. So, data controller. Main data controller, get data layer. Okay, maybe let's create a method here also. Get data layer, and just return that. Return get data. Maybe, yeah, maybe you can do like so. So get data, and we can create remotes for that, like get data. Or maybe remote function. Maybe. Remote function, get data. Go to our local remotes. Self remote functions. Okay, let's create, maybe it's this method here, function, local remotes. get data. Finally made it to the stream after a while. What did you make? Okay, get data. Self remote functions, and here's a function called get data, and we need to return that. Get data. How to call? Invoke server or something like so. Data. Invoke server and invoke server. I wanna check that. Remote function invoke server. How it we can use that? I forget about that already. How to use that? Invoke server. Yeah, like so. Okay, invoke server. I'm from day 1217. Of course you don't remember me. Oh, what the hell, bro? That was so long. That was so big absence. Yeah. Welcome anyway. Local remotes, get data, and go to server remotes. And let's create here. What's that? Let's create here, I think. Okay, we need to create remote functions, of course. Local remote function, and this will be remote function on server invoke connect function and where we get data. Where we should to get data. For example, here. After init function creates viewer and data. Self. Okay, local remotes. Get data. Oh wait, I forget. And server invoke. And server invoke. Oh yeah, my bad. Server invoke function like this one. Return 1. Oh wait, I didn't call that method. self update data. Let's make that, I don't know, when we like here, self update data. I see a lot done. No, bro, no. I just rewrite the whole my code. That's why there's a lot of new things. Okay. Print 1. Oh, wait. I know what's the problem with that, I think. Get data, return. Grades viewer, self update data, right? We call that update data. Okay, just get data. After that, local remote, go here. Get data. We call self remote function get data invoke server. Invoke server. We go to server remotes and it should be here. Let's go. No. Maybe we need to put it somewhere better because I don't like that it's here. Okay, let's put it inside. Pop up by more, for example. Yeah, let's go. No, it doesn't work for some reason. Okay, self remote functions. Get data. Okay, let's see, maybe I'm not creating that. Let's go here, here, inventory system, infrastructure remotes, get data. We have get data function, so it's not just fired. Remote function on server invoke. Okay, remote function. What is server remotes? Print remote function. Get data, we have remote function. So we have get data. Maybe I just invoked it wrongly. What are you doing? I'm making inventory system and grade system for my game. What game are you doing? You asked yesterday, bro. I remember you. Here is a pinned message in the chat. Here is 4 minutes video about this game. If you want, you can watch. Okay, so let's go. We need. For some reason, we don't invoke this function. Get data invoke server. So we invoke that and it should okay, let's see where is our problem. On what stage? Probably at the beginning, I think. Go to create viewer, update data, self update data, print re. Let's go. So yeah, we call that after this one. we go to local remotes, get data. Go to local remotes, get data. Maybe this one. 2. Okay, so after we just not return that. Self remote functions, get data, invoke server. Invoke server. Print 1. So the problem with this one doesn't return that. Okay, wait, remote function. Oh, what the hell I'm doing? Get data. Yeah, forget about name our function. Now should work. Nice, yeah. I just forget to call our get data remote function. Okay, return. Here is create sphere, return. Where is get data? Pop up window, something like so. Okay, local data. And I wanna see just print data here. We call that here. There is return our new data. Local remotes, we return that. Server remotes, we need to call our data controller. I think we'll make that by using our inventory again, so let's make it like so. I hope we get the player. Let's print the player. Yeah, we have a player. Nice. Like inside we have the player inside remote events. That's good. This is by default. We have first parameter. This is a player from who we has remote events or remote functions. Okay, here's we need return. Oh no, wait. Inventory. Copy that. Return. Inventory. Get data. And just a player. And go inside our inventory service. This is our main script which control the whole our system, inventory system. And let's create here the method get data. And just we need to return. We need to call self data controller get data. And here's just player, and here's also just a player. We can close that, we can close that, I think. Yeah. And we go to our data controller, and here's we get our player's data. Let's see if it's true or not. Yeah, great. So we have the whole player data when we open, and this is very useful because now we can call this function just from any script we want and update data. Just put this method again and it works everywhere, I think. So what we need to do here now with all of that data? Of course it shouldn't be here. We copy that and go where we need updated data. Here we need updated data inside our calculator, of course. Calculator. Yeah. Wait, maybe that's a lot of or maybe not. Okay, let's try data, self update data, and instead of this one we just send this one. We just send this one. Calculate cell, and the same here. Data instead of self data, we just put here. So we send updated data always. For example, I wanna sell like okay, I wanna sell all of that. I update my money, and I wanna sell more. I can't. Nice, great. Because I have 0 crates now. I can't. As you see, there's allows me to send only 0 crates to sell. Great. But for example, I wanna buy that. I wanna buy. I have money now. So yeah, I can buy only like I can exaggerate the amount of my balance. Great, my boys, great. All work. So this is really good. We can update our data now everywhere, I think. But wait, local remotes. Yeah, that's good, I think. Way how we can do that. Just one remote function and get the data. I hope we don't have a lot of issues with that. Shouldn't be like so, I think. So let's go. Okay. Okay, data controller we can close this. We can close. Create price calculator. Okay. So now we need to put max. Max button we need to connect. Max button. Get Xbox amount. Number, let's make that better, because maybe it looks like a string. Buy more, sell more. Now we need to put maximum, like maximum how much we can set. We can calculate that by using also this, I think, but here is calculate. This is calculate by calculate by. And we need also get text box amount. I think get buy. This is buy more. And let's do the same for this one. Calculate sell. Selected sell more. Sell more data. And also, of course, we need to update our UI, where we see how much. Okay, text box. Text box text equals to amount. We need to get text box here. What is text box for us here? Text box pop up. Let's make like this better. Text box text box. Text box equals amount. This is buy more. And what about this one? What about this one? This is sell more. Let's try. I'm not sure this works, but let's try. Okay, go here. Buy more. 0. True. What about sell? True. What about now? Like buy more? 0. Of course. Because we not update our data again. Or wait, self-update data. By the way, we shouldn't have any issues with that already, I think. So let's go here, maybe buy more. Okay. Yeah, it's work, but after that it's work, but doesn't work this one. No, it's work. What the hell? Sell, buy more. Okay, when we open, we need to calculate that also. We need to do all of that. I think we can put it inside separated function, I think. All of that. Okay, guys, I'm gonna eat and I'll be here in 20 minutes. back. So I'm feeling bad today, so I think we'll better continue maybe tomorrow, I think, guys, sorry. And I think we can create in a couple of days maybe stream where we play your games, and maybe I give you some feedback about your games. I think it'll be interesting. And and maybe we can do some gaming streams. Why not? Because long time we didn't do that, and we play maybe Rivals, maybe some other games, Grow Garden, maybe finally I play. So guys, today is earlier, and we'll see, I don't know, maybe tomorrow, maybe the day after tomorrow, because I need some rest, my boys. So thank you all who watch who watched here, who been here, and I'll inform you in Discord, and bye bye, my boys.